This rock atop of the world used to be underwater, fossilized on Mount Everest. Because 200 million years ago, India wasn't attached to Asia at all. It was its own island, floating, alone, drifting north. For 100 million years, it sailed straight toward Asia. Nothing could stop it. And when it hit, it didn't stop moving. It just kept pushing. The ground had nowhere to go but up. The entire seafloor got scraped upward and folded into rock, layer by layer. That's how a seashell ends up 29,000 feet in the sky. But here's the part almost nobody realizes. This mountain isn't finished forming. India is still moving. Right now, about 5 centimeters a year.
That's slower than your fingernails grow. But it never stops.
And that constant push is exactly why this region shakes so often. All because 2 pieces of Earth's crust refuse to stop wrestling. Which means Everest, right now, is technically getting taller. By a few millimeters a year. Some scientists say it's already grown taller than official maps admit. But growing taller doesn't mean growing forever. Because at the exact same time, wind, ice, and rivers are tearing the mountains back down. It's a tug of war, collision pushing up, erosion pulling down. And this river she's standing next to? It's carrying pieces of the mountain away, grain by grain. That sediment travels hundreds of miles and builds entirely new land downstream. The entire Ganges Plain, one of the most fertile regions on Earth, is basically ground-up Himalaya. The mountain that rose from an ocean is now feeding an entire subcontinent. And the mountains don't just get worn down, they actually control the weather for 1 billion people. The Himalayas block monsoon clouds, creating lush jungle on one side and freezing desert on the other. Same mountain range, 2 completely different worlds, just a few miles apart. Even the animals up here are just passing through a mountain that's still under construction. This entire wall of rock, tallest on Earth, is the scar tissue of a collision that never actually ended. So next time someone says mountains are still changing, remember this shell. It's been to the bottom of an ocean and the top of the world. And it's still moving. Right now. Under your feet, if you're standing on this side of the planet. The Himalayas aren't just the tallest mountains on Earth. They're proof that Earth never stops rearranging itself. One slow-motion collision. 100 million years, still not finished. If your mind just got a little bigger, subscribe for more stories hidden inside the world around you.